Yeah, just record it.
Whoa, wait, what are we recording now? This one?
Yeah, we're gonna have to record it from our POV, so he just has results.
No, wait,
Yo, Josh, you ready?
Wait,
Oh, we're playing again?
Yeah,
we're playing now.
Okay, let's
No,
play.
wait.
Oh, guys.
Yeah.
Wait, we're going straight in?
Yeah, no.
All right.
Why not?
I sent the link. We need to.
We gotta do the map ban thing.
Wait, hold on. Wait, can we try to find someone else to record it?
What?
Mod it?
No, record it.
Oh, Nick can record it.
Ooh.
No, I'm talking. It's gonna be from next POV.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's POV only.
I mean, they already had us face them on stream yesterday, so it doesn't matter.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
BJ could Loki just use that one.
Jackson.
Yeah, just use that one.
Jackson?
Someone.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you guys, Ben.
Yep.
Wait, can you?
Where's Jackson?
Who wants to do it? Who wants to?
Where's
You
Jackson?
do it.
He's
I
in the
know.
call. He joined the call because none of us can drag him. So
Someone in the call or something.
he's probably getting water. He was muted when he joined the call. And
I need to pay.
Hello. There he is.
Bro, there's a hole in my sock.
You mind screen share it when you get the chance.
I want food. Be right back.
I get an invite.
I don't have you added. Nick will have to invite you when he gets back.
Iman can invite me.
Oh shit.
Or is that Nikki? I don't know who this is.
It's probably Nick. Hold on, I'll find you in my previous games.
That's the wrong person. I just accepted a random person. Ah, shit. Who the fuck is
Jackson
this
here?
guy?
Oh, he is. All right, I'll do
Alright.
the thing.
Screen share the ban.
Yep. Oh, I sent it to myself.
Who do you send the ban link to yourself?
Oh wait, am I sharing it right?
Hello, what map are you playing?
No idea yet. Yeah, you're streaming it.
Alright. What are you? Get a ban
Ban
for it?
fracture. Ban fracture.
Alright, sure. Get rid of that Garbo map.
I hate you be down to play some Breeze. I'm not gonna cap.
Yep.
They're gonna ban Haven.
Breeze will be fun to play.
I'm down to play Breeze.
I'm done with play Breeze.
Better eat your booty.
Honestly,
Yes, sir.
dude.
Tell them-
I'll play
Tell them-
Chamber Breeze if we get Breeze.
Oh, you just want to play
Tell them to
Ascent?
play. Tell them to play. To pick. Say I already picked. In voice chat.
They probably
JZ.
know.
JZ we picked.
Oh, shit.
Oh, they didn't know.
I think they're just discussing.
Oh, they are.
Oh, they banned Breeze.
Fuck,
All right.
man.
Fuck,
No, I'm fine with Icebox.
Bro,
No,
yeah, shit on that map.
Yo, ban Icebox.
Oh, wait,
What?
Yeah, ban Icebox.
Dust it.
They.
Hmm.
Are they not gonna ban Haven? If they don't ban Haven, we can just run it back.
Yeah.
I mean, they're
Ban Bind.
They're probably gonna want.
They're confident on Bind. They've
Okay.
banned Bind next.
Yeah.
I want. These are two good maps we can play on.
Ascent and split.
Yeah.
If we're playing Ascent,
They're probably gonna ban Ascent.
wait, can we play KO and Sova?
Who's gonna play KO?
Jackson, do you want to play KO?
On what
I
map?
can do anything.
Ascent.
Yeah, I'll play KO.
All right.
Oh,
Split.
split.
Defender,
let's
defense,
defend
defense,
first, yeah.
defense. All right.
Wait, who do y'all want to play? Wait, we haven't really talked about split.
No,
Split. I want to play Jet.
I'm
Viper, Satchel Viper.
Iman's playing Viper. I'm not sure you guys vote.
And we could have Nick be on Jet and then Josh on Sova or
change
something.
it.
No, I'm not
Okay,
playing.
Jordan.
Wait, can we have like a pee break real quick?
Yeah.
Yeah,
go ahead.
No, that's fine.
Yes.
That's fine.
Okay, let's talk about the comp.
Change it to change
Hello,
the
guys.
map. Mozo.
Hello.
Okay, so
Yeah,
How are you?
I'm 5 foot.
Who is this person?
I'm fucking tired from commentating on your entire game.
She's muted.
You're watching?
5 foot.
Jason.
Yep.
We were commentating it.
Anyways, you should watch the VOD, dude. I was going crazy.
All right.
How to watch?
BJ will
okay,
probably
wait.
post it sometime.
He's not American.
They're all
Huh?
Asian.
Or like no, but I mean like
I think they're all Asian.
do they not speak English as their first language?
No,
I
I think
don't
only
know.
one of them. Wait, okay. Anyways, okay, split. So we have Asher, Viper.
I'm
What else?
Viper. I'm Viper.
Chamber. Wait, you want Chamber or Jet on Nick? Pick one.
I'd rather play Jet.
Okay, then we have Chamber on Nick. All right, and then what? This guy?
Or we could just have Raze and Jet
Or
instead of
No,
Chamber.
do we
should not
really
have
need? Do we really need an
No.
initiator on split? Josh could
That's what
play
I'm saying.
Sage.
Like
You
I
need
could play
flashes.
just Sage.
Yeah, Josh could Sage.
Well, we don't have flashes then, but
Oh, yeah, we don't have fly. No,
Um,
I Sage Nick.
Hey yo,
Nick
can
Sky.
we handshake a poop pause?
What?
How long
Just
is
in
this?
case.
Bro.
So just wait, just time out.
All right.
No,
That's
Just-
that's
just like-
yeah.
just
You'll have a
just do
minute.
it.
You'll have a minute timeout.
Wait, why don't you just do it now?
Nikki, you want me a poop? No, just in case because I ate Popeyes. And now-
my
No,
what do you call it?
No,
Yo,
we're just gonna sweep
you're
you. We'll
throwing.
just sweep you. We'll just sweep you.
No,
Bro,
it's all
45.
Nikki's fault.
45.
It's all Nikki's fault.
How is
What?
it his fault, bro? You're the one that
Wait,
ate
can we start
It's
Popeyes?
Nikki's fault.
Wait, I
Wait, can
I
we
had
start? Can we
Popeyes
start?
for lunch.
Wait,
I
can we
had
start?
Popeyes
Wait,
for lunch.
Can we start? Like, can we start?
Let's just start.
We started.
Alright. I'm Viper. No initiator.
No,
wait, hold on, don't lock.
No, we're not gonna
Don't
lock because we're
If-
trying to figure out me and Nick.
If Josh
I
plays
can play
Sage, you guys
then Nick-
Astra
then Nick can
Viper.
play. Then Nick can play Sky.
wait, we don't need
just
a
gonna hover.
Sage if we have Asher and Viper.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
hold on.
Chamber,
The Viper
Chamber and
wall-
Sky.
The
Would be
Viper's
better.
gonna go- yeah,
Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh,
because
yeah,
the
yeah.
Viper wall's gonna go from B across mid.
Then
Okay,
what
no.
would Josh
Yeah,
play? Because
Sky.
Josh, you want to play Sky? Okay.
Okay, well, okay, now we're bringing up like better questions. Dude, I don't know about what about Breach?
You know how to play
Whatever you're
Breach
comfortable
better?
with. It's
Whichever one
who-
you
who
know
you're
better.
Whichever one you're better.
Yeah,
more
whichever one
comfortable
you're
with.
better at, Breach or Sky.
Because we can play Breach, because then you can just play B Heaven on defense and just
Yeah, and strike 'em.
spam mid info.
I think I like
whoa,
this.
whoa, what the fuck is that? Whoa, whoa.
What do you mean?
I thought we-
Whoa.
whoa, I
Nick,
thought
go
we did-
Astra.
Great play,
Go Astra.
Chamber.
Yo, go
Chamber. What am I gonna do with Chamber on here?
Alright, this
The
dude's
flame?
trolling. He's trolling.
What am I gonna do with Chamber on here?
You ready? Alright, guys.
You're recording
We're
it,
not
right, Nick?
losers. Wait, we all losers, but we're not losers.
Nick, you're recording, right?
Yeah.
We are
Chamber's
not
actually.
losers.
Oh my gosh. I'm about to like pee myself.
You have
Look,
good
we can be
taste,
ultra
my
cringe and have
friend.
double up. Nice.
Wait, so
am-
Jackson,
I
how
am
do you want me to
mid,
wall?
You up
How do you
short.
want me to wall?
Or ramp, I mean.
What?
How do you want me to wall?
You're gonna play B.
No, my
Uh,
boy Bawang.
Alright, you're gonna go B. I'll show you the
Heaven?
wall.
I don't know
no,
where my
no,
boy
insight.
Bawang went.
Okay.
No, wall B all the way to mid.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
None of us
I know.
are
Iman knows what
I
he's
know.
doing. Shut up.
I
None
know.
of us are
No,
warm.
Iman
Iman
the
knows
best.
what he's
No,
doing.
I
Vader's
usually
here
do
to take our
something
radio
like
night.
Iman,
Yeah.
Iman, stand here
I'm sorry.
Yep.
Let's go
Right
shoot
there.
them.
and then throw your wall so it like covers
Right
mid.
there.
It's like
Okay.
from one ping to the other.
Ah, shoot.
All right,
Here.
focus up. Let's get this win. Just play the next game already.
They'll put in a. Oh,
Right
dang.
there.
Where is
Dude, I don't know where to put this.
You can put it up heaven.
Right
Yeah, I
there.
got two.
All set up. Teleport's ready.
Man, I'm using everything. Zooey mama.
I'm doing one pit.
That works.
Oh, fuck. Missed
Wall
one.
B.
I don't see anything mid.
There's multiple. Put up the wall. Tell me when they're out.
I'm not watching mid.
They're coming out now.
I sucked.
Viper is at 74 left pillar.
Good kill. Just play back, play back, play back.
They're
I
on.
can get cuts. I can get cuts.
Reloading.
Nice.
West side pillar.
Enemy spotted B.
Don't peek. Don't peek. I need to peek. I need to peek.
Low. Cypher pillar.
Here.
They're going back B main.
This should do.
Tuesday.
You're not anchor.
Teleport's ready.
Oh, what the fuck? Viper's on the boxes.
Watch
Under
me,
me.
Nick.
I think the other two ran.
Going up.
I have slows on both of those.
They're on A. They're coming A.
Yeah.
There they
One
are.
enemy remaining. Spike down A.
He's not up.
Out of range.
30
Cypher was
seconds
late to
left.
leave.
Cypher's lit.
Teleport out of.
No, why is he there?
I have.
Yeah, Iman's got him.
Nice, man. Holy shit.
Nice.
Oh my
Nice.
gosh. 4K.
Need that back.
Ace!
Okay.
You don't
Which
respect
Iman?
what you should. All shiny buttons, no juju.
Which Iman was it?
That's a good
The
spot.
water, I think it's here, man.
Perfect. Teleport's ready.
Ah, shoot.
Doubtful they pick.
Ah, shoot.
Yeah, if you're gonna pick, play back.
Cypher mid.
Wall up.
A gift.
Come here.
Sage mid as well.
Enemy
Oh,
spotted
drop it,
mid.
drop it. They're on pistols. They're on pistols.
Where's it?
Here.
Good pick. I'm going up B.
Cypher's left side. Cypher's sewer side.
Do they want A or no?
Watch suicide.
Yeah, I'm watching it. Break that.
I have one here. They naded me here?
Jet
Put it
dash
on here.
cross.
They don't
Oh,
know here.
race, four
Teleport's
sewer.
ready.
I think I saw 4. I know Jet Rays and Cypher are sewer. Pipe run now. I'm gonna rotate them A.
I still have my slows up.
Don't make noise.
When did it spawn?
The A.
Yeah, it's 100%.
They found my trap.
Good pick.
How'd you get in front of me, hello?
One more.
Oh, you teleported.
22, 26, and 22 on both.
Alright, is that last two?
One enemy remaining.
Nice. How'd I get in front of you? Yeah, my TP was there.
I was like, what the fuck? I like watching that whole angle. How the fuck are you there?
Roll them over.
Go on the stairs. They have extra guns. They have better guns.
I'm so damn confused. Like, I can buy light shield and buy you something. I think I can buy you a Spectre. Request it?
Does anyone have mercy?
Yeah, I just gotta
And then
get
we
a
can
pick.
play lineup there.
Nice.
I might remember them.
All set up.
If I get a pick, I can afford it.
They might be
That
one
works.
of those here.
I doubt he has lineups for B.
That's a good spot.
Cypher came A.
Let me know if you want wall.
Teleport's ready.
Someone go rafters for me. Or ramps. Watch ramps. I have a slow there. Or a trip. So they'll get tagged if they cross
Here.
here.
Haven't pushed, right?
No, nothing up mid yet.
Thing there.
They're playing slow. They know
I'm
where
gonna
I'm
go
safe.
mid.
They could
On
walk
me.
out B.
There's multiple on you,
I
man.
I'm at 13.
80 jet mid.
She's pillar!
Dead here. Playing default.
Oh, he knew I was there.
That's on me, Nick.
Only one on site. Jet raised market. Jet got healed. Jet
Drop
full
it.
health.
Spike
I
outside.
can flash him.
Calm.
Blinding.
Just get the beat, Josh. Just get the beat. Play Jackson.
30 seconds left.
Yeah.
They
B.
walled
They're still B.
across.
Jet's full health now. No shield though.
Can you flash right here?
There.
Flash that. Flash that.
Pulling them in.
Flash out.
Spike planted.
Nice!
One enemy remaining.
Reloading.
No shield.
One garage. Pillar.
You can stun pillar, Josh.
Last player standing.
Nice!
Nice.
Hey, let's go. Good gun, good gun,
Holy
good gun.
shit. This is our map.
Fundamental.
This is our map, bro.
That was good. That was really good by everyone.
It's good.
That was good.
They didn't expect me to be so aggro up fucking mid.
It's hard not to play with
That flash was kind of cute too.
Nick, can I get your phantom?
Which one?
Your singularity.
How'd you know?
Does
I
anyone?
just saw you hold it.
You're in. I can
A
ult
gift.
here.
We should do.
I'll ult if I hear anything. Or if I see anyone.
It feels like we have one. Teleport's ready.
They're probably gonna try mid again.
Yeah, we're probably gonna try mid.
That works.
Stun it.
Here.
You said for B main?
Yep.
Double shower. On some
No, no, no. I know what to do.
Jet mall, jet mall. Jet and raise mid.
I'm out of mid right now.
They're going mid. They're going mid now.
I don't have mid.
They're going heaven. Be heaven.
Where? My heaven?
Be heaven, be heaven.
I'll peek off you, Josh.
I'll flash again.
If they drop.
30
If they drop.
seconds out. 30 seconds.
Enemy
I win.
spotted mid.
Sage is low though.
Here.
Put up your viper.
70. Nice. Okay, one more.
Too well.
They're
On
in
my
here.
mark.
Oh, main,
Wait, he
in
pushed
main,
through
B main.
heaven.
Oh.
Spike planted.
One backside.
I don't know where that went.
Teleport's ready.
Jet was CT.
One enemy remaining.
Oh
Last
my!
player standing.
Heaven.
Drop, 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 drop! Nice, Darky!
Oh, I tried.
Do you guys see that TP?
Bro, did you see me dodge the fucking the op?
Yeah.
What?
Bro,
This is
Josh.
nothing.
Oh,
I held it down. Hello? I didn't even let go of E.
Alright, it's fine. It's fine.
That is
It don't matter.
hilarious.
I hate waiting.
I didn't even let go of E.
Let's do this.
Light bar.
Light.
Light bar, I'm gonna ult.
That's actually, I'm actually confused now.
Light bar, I'm gonna ult.
That's a good spot.
Yeah.
Almost on rafters. I'm not
All
rafters.
set
so
up.
I'm do it.
Teleport's
Right
ready.
away.
Focus now. Eyes off me.
Ah, shoot.
A gift.
viper wall there.
They are so dead.
They can make it.
Fire in the hole!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
I'm going through sewer.
Ducky, you gotta play this character, bro.
Do it again.
Oh yeah.
Two main.
100 Viper, 100 Viper.
Oh,
They
rotate
could
up.
walk up on you. They could walk up on
Yeah. I know.
you. Nope.
I'm staying.
Spike down
Okay,
A.
no, I'm not.
I'll do on Viper, Iman.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Bro.
Nice.
Oh!
Ready.
Oh,
You
frick.
gotta pick. We move in. Got it?
Bo! Bo! Bo!
Wait, did
Yo,
you, like,
you gotta play
did
this
it-
character, bro.
Well,
I gotta
is
show
he
you
good on
the.
split?
That works.
I gotta show you what I
No,
did.
we wanted it
I
for the
enjoyed him.
top
I enjoyed him a
point.
little bit on Haven, but only on defense. I didn't enjoy him
Teleport's ready.
on offense.
I challenged the Raze ult, and I
Who will I spot
TP'd out
first?
after killing her, and the ult.
We needed
and
it. We
missed
need
me.
it for the trap for flank.
Get out of
That's a
my
good
way!
spot.
Where's that?
Nothing. Cypher cam mid. Jet
Oh.
mid.
Enemy spotted mid.
Going at Heaven.
I got it, Josh.
Molly did too.
Oh my god. I got double pushed out Heaven. I mean ropes.
Right there, coming here.
They're up heaven.
Probably be having you on.
No, I shouldn't have ran. 78. Nice. Nice.
One more.
He's right side, Josh.
You can flash the roof, or not the roof, like the arc. Oh yeah, he's stunned.
One.
One
Okay,
enemy
that.
remaining.
Right
Behind
side,
that
right
wall.
side,
Behind
right
that
side.
wall. You can flash her.
Don't peek, don't peek.
Oh, you're better. You
One left.
don't listen to me. You're better.
Josh should listen to either you or Iman.
Oh,
We got
Iman was
this.
playing flank.
Iman like don't peek. Nick like
Bro,
flash him. Josh
bro,
like nah,
bro.
nah, trust me,
Bro.
I got this.
No, Iman, say you're flank. I would've hopped off.
Hop off. Nah, you confident, that's why.
I don't know which Iman boxed me, but I appreciate it.
Me!
Perfect. A gift.
Look at this.
Ready.
Tactics.
Watch this one tap.
That works.
Hold on. Keep on.
They're coming mid.
Put down wall.
Oh my god, he knows I'm there.
This was close.
Oh shoot, I'm low.
Pushing screens.
Got one.
Teleport's
Two
ready.
80.
You will
bad.
not kill my allies.
Oh wait, they're going B.
Flanking him.
Oh frick, I should've just TP'd.
They're playing.
Precision paper 80.
Spike planted.
Nice.
What? He's
I got the one heaven.
what is it called? Vents. 7.
Set no shield.
Last player standing.
70 on chamber. Or not chamber, Cypher. Oh, he didn't. That's unlucky.
Let's get
We're gonna
these
econ.
idiots.
I think. Oh well.
Josh can afford it.
Oh yeah, Josh. Is fine.
Does anyone have Merci?
We have Josh's retake. We can play slow. We can just play retake.
That's a good spot.
Let's play retake beat them.
Put the wall up instantly. I'm gonna get the stairs. Mail room.
Alright.
All set up.
I'm pushing out in.
Huh?
You want me to send it?
Yeah, stun it instantly, and I'm just gonna go mail.
That's not ready. We should do. A gift.
They don't push A.
I'm deep on B right now.
Alright, maybe deep.
Teleport's ready.
Oh, it's A.
Trap destroyed.
They're heaven, watch out heaven.
They found my trap.
Oh, retake.
They're up heaven.
Waiting for them to
I
push.
don't know
Teleport's
if he ulted
broken.
here. I don't know if he ulted
Yeah.
heaven.
They're ready.
No!
Spike down.
On
A.
rafters.
Player
Ah,
standing.
Sage hopping. Sage hopping up heaven.
One enemy remaining.
10 health.
So I...
Spike planted.
Nice, better.
We're on top.
You're actually 5 head, yes.
I think
yeah.
above.
Yes. You're actually 5 head.
Saves it right.
Good shit, Jackson.
Clutch.
Recovering it.
You guys got me in my feels.
Okay, it'd be 7-1 if you didn't mess up.
No, I know. I didn't even like.
Damn,
I love it.
damn.
I'm
What
so
can I
confused.
say? Je reste sans voix. I'm speechless.
Oh. Mommy. I can buy. Turkey. Oh.
Oh, Ryan.
Thanks.
That works.
Blood broke.
Oh, fall down. I'm ready to die.
Yummy eating
Yeah, I'll
like
fall down.
a chicken nugget.
I have a one.
Teleport's ready. That's a good spot.
Multiple mid.
Multiple enemies mid.
They like to push mid on their save rounds.
Fire in the hole!
Oh nah.
I'm playing back. I'm playing back.
Go,
Oh, that's it.
They're gonna have to be heaven down.
Alted ropes.
Hold there, Josh. I'm flanking.
Hitting B heaven.
Oops.
They're all heaven.
They're up.
CT, go heaven.
I'm making so much noise.
Spike down. B.
Welcome to my world.
Under?
Enemy spotted.
Spike
What the
planted.
fuck?
Reloading.
Last player standing.
No, if the nade wasn't there. Good try. If the nade
come
wasn't
on.
there, I wouldn't have jumped forward.
Come on, if they're going B, there's no point in flanking because we're
No,
rotating
B
Let's
through
on the
mid.
mid.
Fusion cells.
No, well, they're faster than you going slow walk. So you stay B main and then you can pinch them and we have it all.
Okay.
Yeah, like flank him from garage.
Light shield, I'm gonna ult.
You just wait
shit.
until the
Okay.
onsite.
Yeah, just don't go through mid. mid bottom.
Yeah.
Because we're all
Also-
rotating through mid, so.
They are so dead. Teleport's ready. That works.
Don't forget we have ult for retake. But probably not this round.
Enemy
Sage
spotted
dropping
mid.
market. Cypher as well.
Enemy spotted mid.
I think I did 100 on Sage.
They're pushing up.
Yeah, I'm
Pushing
gonna
up.
rotate through spawn.
Party's over.
That's the pick.
Back out. We gotta pick. Back out. We gotta pick. Back out. We gotta pick.
Enemy
I got
spotted
you. I
mid.
got you. I got you. I got you. He's scamming.
He's doing ropes. I can send ropes here, mate. Actually, be heaven.
I'm playing here. They don't know I'm here.
I got hell.
Blasting him.
Going down.
Spike down
I'm
B.
not peeking it.
He's gonna repeat with an up. Fuck. He did it. He did
Iman's in
well.
a good spot here.
Yeah, jet hell with up.
Iman, right pillar.
Dude, what?
No! There's a judge!
I'm fucking
30
awful.
seconds
Judge,
left.
vent.
Last player.
What?
Was he still vent, Nick?
Yeah.
He did it the whole time.
They think they're better than us.
That's crazy. We should
Hello?
just have enough for next. I'm gonna let chill so I can up crutch. Actually, I'm not.
We should do.
If I can afford up, I can afford up.
What?
Teleport's ready.
We retake for
Because
this.
they have an up, so.
I can always ult.
Teleport's ready. Out of charges.
Nothing, eh?
Concuss it. Oh, fuck, too late.
Oh, I'm late, my bad.
Here.
Wall, Nima.
Wait, market. Market.
Oh, cost
We're taking
Nima.
market now.
There's 4. What?
Spike
Jet
down
hit.
B.
Look, he's sniping.
Oh,
She fucking crouches.
Jet hit.
Yeah, jet hit again. Her heal's completely
I'm
gone.
too far.
She went CT.
Going A.
again.
I have a slow on A though.
Just anchor B, man.
I'm too
Yeah.
far.
Honestly, Josh, go up the rope.
No, I think they expect him.
No, I doubt it.
30 seconds
They
left.
haven't pushed here. They could have stayed spawning on B.
Could go back mid on you.
Wall broke B.
How much time? It's B.
Yeah, they're coming
they're
garage. They're
B main.
coming
10
garage.
seconds left.
I'm letting him run through.
One enemy remaining.
Right, come on,
Nice,
you're
good.
good.
Grab it, Sage's up. Yeah.
Let's go, baby.
Last round in the half.
I get it.
No point
Come on,
saving. Spend it all.
Close.
Here.
Wait, actually, this.
A gift. Perfect.
I should keep talking, bruh.
Yeah, look at the fuck, man. Shut the fuck up, moment.
That works.
I can't say that.
Teleport's ready. Trap destroyed.
I'm smoking.
What's something to do?
They caged me.
Away with you.
Okay.
Play back. We have a pick.
They
Hold
put my
sight.
wall up.
One back you heaven. I'm gonna
Yeah, stay
split.
heaven.
I'm sitting under. This
They're
box.
sewer. They went sewer. They went going back sewer. Watch mid. We have no mid control.
Josh is there. He's stunned too. I have wall.
I might have someone.
Here.
Wall gonna go down now.
Mid.
You want wall up?
Nicky, I'm leaving you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
that smoke?
Screens. Or not screens, ropes. They're hitting B hard.
They're out.
Pushing B.
Iman, sit in that corner.
Yeah, there.
Spike down B.
What the fuck? On site.
One enemy
Dash,
remaining.
dash front sight.
Pillar default.
30 seconds left.
Get out of my way.
Oh.
Nice.
I missed the two daggers in the air, so I just got
Switching
it.
sides.
Shirley's
Fire.
keep trying to knife
Let's
me.
not complicate it.
Let's go fast A here, because Surfer's gonna play B.
I mean, I have lineups.
Josh, can you
Lineups for
can you
here,
line up here and then
here,
concuss it?
Here, and here.
We're just playing here, bro.
Right there.
I'll just
No, go sewer, Josh, and
That's a
concuss
good
it. Go sewer.
Were we playing again?
No, we're gonna play it.
Right
A
there.
gift.
Okay, we can play lineups. if you
Throw your
want.
wall.
Don't want-
Throw the wall that covers rafter. I got
know,
the
I know.
CT smoke.
I know. I'm waiting last second.
Josh is gonna concuss
Here.
this, so if somebody wants to follow me up there, I'm gonna frenzy it.
Okay.
Flow with this energy.
Flow with it. Okay.
Iman, fight site with me. They
All
won't.
set up.
We can go ahead.
Probably left side.
Oh, she's spraying me from back there. Fuck.
I have split.
That's a one-way.
Can you break that?
Teleport's ready.
Yeah,
You have a
raise
flash?
back
You have a
there.
flash?
Yeah.
Flash it.
Oh, I should have TP'd. Rotate. I would rotate.
Enemy spotted. A.
Because they're all on A.
Do we see Viper? That's tripwire
is
suck
that
balls.
Last player
Already
standing.
happened.
I got fucking sprayed down through a Viper all day.
They're not getting the message. Leave it to me. I'll rough them up.
They like the light mine.
I'm
here.
going to save.
They don't full force.
I have
I'm
one
just gonna-
bullet in a
I'm just gonna
dream.
plastic save.
Can we go? Let's go mid to B, like mid B heaven. So
You guys go
Josh
there.
just
I have
stun
one
all
bullet
this.
in a dream.
Stun B heaven. And then when we get up, can you flash through this wall? Do you know? I don't know if you can or not.
Which wall?
I'm just gonna need a flash.
Concealment.
Break that. Fuck.
Raise B heaven.
Can you flash this?
Find it again.
Do you have another one?
Nope.
Oh, okay. Josh, I need comms from me.
Oh.
One for.
Teleport's ready.
Last player standing.
Okay.
Not bad.
That
I
was clean.
hate to say it, but probably best
Oh my
to
bad.
play
I only
as
bought one
team.
flash.
So, what's the plan?
Not a bad round. Not a bad round.
Here,
It's just
you
slow
guys
hitting.
want to all go heaven?
Yeah.
They like to spray it down. So now that they've got specters, they're just gonna spray from
Here.
back there.
That works.
Let's see if I can do something good. I can suck.
Do it, Josh.
Block sight.
Mid on.
Block.
Nade, watch out, nade, watch out, nade.
I paused first. I paused.
You're alone, Yarky.
Pull it off.
Yeah, I'm gonna settle on low.
One enemy remaining.
Right there.
Flawless.
Oh, I
Holy
killed it.
fuck, bro! I just gave no fuck. Just ran in, bro, through their spray.
Okay.
You're not being shot at, you're
Tripwires
doing
are
something wrong.
here
Right
and here.
Right there.
That's where the two tripwires are. The tripwire
We can bum
Big
rush
player,
him.
is on the ground.
We
Yeah.
can
He
low-key
doesn't-
just bum rush him.
He
Just
doesn't know
stun
that
down
it's trip.
here.
He doesn't know this trip heaven doesn't work because he kept doing it.
Okay, but that trip is on the. It's like the trash can one. You know, like the trash can one.
Yeah,
that goes from
yeah.
the ground,
I can pre-fire it. We can bum rush this kid.
Let's have some fun. That's a
I
good
think I know my
spot.
line.
Right there.
Literally just stun down
Here.
that, Josh. I got it.
All right.
Also,
One out, one way.
Oh my god, I can't get out of the spray. I'm not sure.
teleport's gone. Blinding.
He's on cover, he's on cover, you don't take it.
That is so fucking.
Let's wait for a pick mid. There's 2 mid. Shh. Play for a pick. They could also flank. One's vents. Might go for him.
Spike is down.
158, that's my bad.
Spike down B.
Where is it?
He's backside.
So close.
One alley.
We should do. A gift.
I think we gotta go for that actually.
30 seconds left.
Teleport's ready.
Last player
Your
standing.
best.
Just save.
10 seconds left.
Backside spawn, he might go. He got broke.
Aww.
It seems these strangers want me dead. Eh bien.
I can ult. Someone take my gun.
Gun here.
Careful with one.
I have ult. Get outside, we ult.
Our best bet is hitting A because their Sage is their Senti for A and she can't do much.
Bonne chance, mes amis. That works. Here.
Smoked.
Lock up.
Good cuss it.
That's a good spot.
I'm watching.
Here.
They've on my trap.
Oh, I got sprayed through the smoke.
I know exactly.
Nice.
No way.
Enemy remaining.
Winnable.
Pushing you.
One.
Elbow.
Nice shot.
Bro, I fucking whiffed on that race so damn hard.
Come on, get me in the line of fire. Does
Can we
anyone
hit A
have
one more time?
funds?
And then we hit mid. Or hit mid now and then hit A.
Josh, can you buy him?
Josh.
You wanna do a mid B?
A gift.
Mid control.
I mean, you just want to bum rush free from B main. I have ult.
Now with the we have to it'll be delayed because the setup.
I'm gonna see if I can get something.
That works.
Welcome to my world.
Possibly A.
Passing.
Tourney really plays that.
No, it's B.
Oh
that
my
ult is that ult is A. That ult is A.
Reloading.
Fine.
All set up.
Nice, Sima.
Okay, just relax.
We don't have to. Let's go.
Raise B heaven. Raise
Teleport's
B heaven.
ready.
No one have sewers. A.
I'm gonna stay mid.
Viper's still on A.
I can take Viper.
Let's take heaven.
Nice crosshair placement.
1A, 1B.
One enemy
Come to B,
remaining.
come B, come B, come B, come B, come B.
Go B next. I'll stay. I have exit.
I have ult. I have B even fully. Good flank.
He's having
I have
fun.
exit.
Or ult does it.
Actually, watch CT, man.
30 seconds left.
Spike planted. This should do.
Oh, smoke drop.
Teleport ready.
Ain't no way.
I want a knifer so bad.
Just shoot her.
You almost whiffed. You almost whiffed, man.
That's Jay-Z. That was
Oh
Jay-Z.
my.
Take
Man
a
almost
breath
just
now.
whiffed so damn hard,
Release
bro.
the tension.
Nick. Oh, I was gonna say you want to op, but I can't blind you up.
Want those?
I'll take
Want
it.
those?
Take A again.
Yeah.
Nick's got his
Bro,
double
let me
op.
peek.
right now.
Let me pick
Next-
because there's
Here.
a kid
Nick's
there.
got the
Here.
Nick's got the double op, you know. So
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's a
I'll
good
try to.
spot.
I'll try something.
I'm gonna double updraft and see if I get any info
Here.
for tower.
What's this?
It's wall.
Nothing tower.
Teleport's ready.
Whoa! Two on site. I didn't check.
Spike down A. One enemy remaining.
Rampage.
That was a mess. That was a mess.
I didn't know what happened.
Match
Can I get,
point.
can I get Ion?
Let's
Okay,
end
I kinda
this.
like it.
Need a drop.
Fuck. Hold on.
Need a drop. Thanks.
I can buy. Let me eat my.
Oh, I just realized Iman missed
Oh,
when
he got
Ion was like the best spam skin.
It feels good, but I only like using it with Jet. It's weird. I don't like the colors on any other agent.
I'm gonna see if I can get through A again.
6:30. We've been going on for what?
I'm coming for you, Sabine.
I don't know. It's been a pretty quick game, probably 35 minutes. I know we started after 6. Raise screens.
There's a one way here.
and
Don't take this.
Raise
He's gonna
vent.
peek. He gets really anxious. I'm watching his CT.
Careful
back.
camera. Careful camera. Did you already break the trip?
No.
Reloading.
Don't be dirty.
A gift.
Reloading.
I got it. I got the camera.
Where does he place it?
Here.
Don't.
One way.
Let him waste those.
He only has it one.
After
Right?
that we take it. After that we take it.
We could.
Blocking sight.
All set up.
Wait for that.
What?
I got the spike.
Spike
Reloading.
down
Bro
B.
just shot me through the.
Wait, run out.
Fuck.
Run out.
There's 2
Why
on
is
A.
there another?
Oh my god.
Why was there another?
Go B. Go B. Go B.
Oh. He's pillar.
They
Who
don't
had
know
one
Josh
B?
is here.
Must be.
30 seconds left. One enemy remaining.
Race.
He's on
You
time.
can go-
Honestly,
you can
now go
yeah.
back A.
Just run A.
Josh, once you get there, watch the CT. You probably cut her off.
Or should I fake it and go back B?
No. Just
No.
go away.
You literally have 13
Josh, get
seconds.
control.
Oh,
Get
shit,
control.
shit,
Oh my god.
10 seconds left.
Yeah, plant there for heaven.
Lance it.
Yeah.
She might have room to
Spike planted.
defuse it. Yeah, whatever.
Gosh, you're in a really bad spot.
What the fuck?
At this point,
You're into
I
that
don't know.
one, Josh.
ECT.
Too high, that's
You
too
can
high,
just
that's
just
too high.
just hide.
Go peek. Josh is old. No target left.
He's on it. He's on it. He's on it.
Oh, that
Last
was good.
player standing.
Nice.
GG.
Yaki, you scared me with that
Attackers
plant
win.
placement.
On board.
I didn't realize I planted that spot like too close to where she could hide. I wanted to plant it for Josh and for me, but I didn't. I should have placed it more.
I'm gonna
Watch
find you.
MVP, let's go.
GG.
GG's.
Why you do that?
Jeez.
So who are we playing now?
Good fucking game.
Is the other team over?
GG,
Nikki, why
guys.
didn't you throw?
GG.
It's whoever loses BJ's game.
My name's Iman and I'm 5'2".
Alright.
What's the score?
Say now it's super fucking gay.
Is this map?
well-
Wait, they're playing. Oh wait, they play 3 maps. Don't they?
I gotta open up BJ's Twitch now.
Yeah, can someone already just switch?
Yeah, let's try it.
It's 2-0. I think it's second.